It's ringing up a 14, 15, 16. Bullet casing. 45 auto. Spear, so I'm guessing that's a newer bullet. It's pretty big. All right, moving on. All right, we have another bullet. This is a different kind though. Smaller, possibly older. Ring up the same numbers, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I was expecting a bullet pretty much. Moving on. Okay, it's not a dime. Ring up like a dime at 27. Big hunk of copper something. Maybe a lid. Beautiful patina. Oh, it's got threading inside right here. So it's a lid to something. Interesting. Okay, moving on. It's ran up like a nickel, but I broke it digging it out, so I thought I was getting a nickel. To some type of a copper ring. Not a ring that you would wear. I'll have to check the details out on it later if there are any. Okay, moving on. Bring up 2930. That's the impression it left in the dirt. And that's the buckle. Guess you would call that a debuckle. Is that the way it goes, like that? Or this way? I don't know, but that's pretty cool. I don't think there's anything else in the hole. Nope, that had to be it. Ring up at 2930. That's a beaut. I'll take it. Moving on. Let's ring up at 1213. I believe it's a button. Small one. Oh, you know, maybe it's a cufflink. Jeez, these bugs right in my face. I hate that. Rather than destroy it. Wait till I get home and try to clean that off. But that's what it kind of looks like. Kind of looks like maybe a cufflink or a neck cufflink or something like that. Right up 1213. All right, moving on. Found another one of those things that looks like a huge salt or pepper shaker lid. Top part's broke off. It's shaped almost the same. It's got the hinge. You can see the holes. No idea what that is. Looks like it's probably, well, I don't know. Doesn't really look like copper, but it's some kind of metal. Obviously, duh. No idea. All right, we're gonna clean that up when we get home. Figure it out. It was way down too. It was way down. Deeper than my garret. My garret's what, 12 inches? 8 inches, so probably 9 inches or so. All right, well, that's interesting. Moving on. Okay, we got another big buckle, 2930, really deep. Almost as deep as my carrot, and it's a D again. Same thing. No middle part. That's pretty cool though. I really like that. Super loud, way down. I'll check and see if the middle part, but it doesn't look like it had a middle part, so maybe it had to do with horse tack or something. I don't know, but that's a good find. I'm happy with the buckles. I'm not really finding much anything else. Let's make sure there's nothing else in there. And there's not. Okay, moving on. And we got another one. This one rang a little lower, 27, probably because it still has its tongue. I just knocked it off when I dug it out. But that's awesome. That one wasn't too deep. Well, that's 3 buckles today. And all within just a few feet of each other. So it makes you wonder, what was there a horse standing here? And I don't know, he lost all his stuff all at the same time? Don't know. Moving on. All right, let's ring up 2122. It's an old lighter. Wonder if it could be silver. It's got a beautiful shine. Beautiful luster. Probably what, stainless? What did they make lighters out of? Pretty design on the bottom. Definitely have to check that when I get home. It's very pretty though, and I could not find the top, so the top's not in the hole. It's not in this hole. Well, that's very pretty, very shiny. All right, that's it. I'm about ready to hit the road here. It's almost 90 degrees. I am hot. All right, moving on. I still don't know what this is. It's a lid for something. Has the hinge. No idea. 3 different D buckles. This one maybe isn't a D. It's kind of a little bit different shaped. Those are definitely Ds. This button. See, that stuff comes out. Hang on. Stuff growing in there. I've got so much junk here I have to get rid of. I don't know what to do with it all. I don't need to keep all this stuff. I don't know. How do you guys feel about maybe a giveaway with assorted things, like maybe buckles and buttons and whatever this might be? I don't know what that is. It's very heavy. The bullet. Oh, that's the Year 45 auto. I don't think that's old. I've tried looking that up. I don't see anything old about it. Hold on. These have been rained on a bit. So hopefully they're clean enough to see now. Now I'm going to have to take a picture of it. Can't tell. And that's got, I believe, the U on it. Yeah, and that's got the U on it. No, that's not a U. I don't know what that is. Let's look that up. Okay.